And now let's jump back and we'll open Play inside of our editor. And let's copy the code from fontawesome.css, just this font face part, and put it in Play. So now we have our font face and it's pointing to our fonts. So we want to make sure that our fonts are in the right location here. Now, if we look at our styles.css, I'm going to go back up to our project folder, go into CSS and open up styles.css. We need to look at how our source is being rendered here. We can see where the browser is going to be looking for these files. So the .. means up one directory, and then it's going to be in the fonts directory, and then it's going to be looking for Font Awesome. So let's go back to our folder here, and here's where styles is. So again, the browser is going to be looking up one level, which is going to be the same level here, and it will be looking inside of the fonts folder. So let's create a new folder called fonts, and then it will be looking for the font files inside of that folder. So let's go back to our Font Awesome folder, and we'll copy all of these fonts here, and we'll open up our fonts folder and paste them in. And now, in order to force the browser to download this font, we need to use it somewhere. So let's go back to our editor, and let's add an element that we can play with. So here under our screenshot, let's add a div, and let's give it the class play font, and we'll put some random text in there. All right, and now let's take this class after we save the index.html, and let's use this inside of our play partial here. And here we can set the font family to Font Awesome. Now that we've done this, we can go back to the browser and refresh. And if we go to the network tab, we'll see all of the files that the browser is downloading from the server. It starts with our index.html, we download normalize, we download styles, we download our image, and then we download our web font. Chrome is downloading the WOFF2 version of Font Awesome. Okay, sweet.